Previously promised on Halleigh's room tour. So here I have this little tapestry that I used to have in my dorm, and I've got these like nice little cute lights. If you're wondering what's back here, it's just this random little hallway in my kind of room, and I liked to film here like maybe once or twice. I don't know if you can recognize this, but I don't know, I film here, but I don't really use this setup anymore, and I kind of just keep shelves with like random stuff back here, kind of like decorations I was gonna put up, things I need to take to tech. I don't know, random stuff like that. Oh yeah, time for me to flex. No, but actually though, this is like my favorite thing ever because look, it's iridescent in the light and it's literally so pretty. Anyways, finally onto the good stuff. These tabletops look kind of messy, but like, I don't know. Basically, these two tabletops were from Walmart. My brother and I built them, and my mom tried to sell this gold nightstand in a yard sale, but gave it to me instead. And I like it because it matches the gold on the tapestry. Here's like this iridescent thing I have, and like all these stickers. Like as you can see, a lot of them are iridescent, even like this one. And I need to put those up on my computer, but I have to get a case for that. Little iridescent balloon thing. And then I've got a bunch of smelly stuff here, like I've got 2 candles. Okay, Haleigh, well, I don't know about you guys, but I see 4 candles here. And of course my Haleigh Street brand like things. In here, I just have... Okay, yes, I gave these shelves an entire drawer, but I mean, I don't know. I was gonna put them up where this candle is, but leave a comment below if you think that the shelves would be prettier. I just like the candle because it's... iridescent, of course. Up here, I've got this fake plant from Walmart and this cool little like house for a candle that my stepmom got me. I think it's really pretty and the purple goes really well with my aesthetic. And another little balloon thing, another iridescent candle. I mean, my God, look at how beautiful that is. I'm just obsessed. My lotus flower lighter for all my candles, another lotus flower. This is like a very old, like, special item to me, but it looks like absolute trash. Like, I know it looks like trash. I really don't know how to clean it, so please leave a comment below on how to clean out a candle holder because, like, yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. I have this little, if you notice, this little snowman thing under here. This is like a box I got for Christmas, but I just thought the iridescent was so pretty. Here's my Zen garden. I use this when I'm stressed out. And another candle. Here's a thing that I made for rec camp. Here's a little fountain thing. I don't turn it on because like I don't got time for that. And I got those little cardboard things from the box my TV came in and thought they would look cool stacked like that. And in here I've got some household things like just like the hardware for my shelves, like some like screwdrivers and stuff. And here I've got, this is like a plant holder, but I don't really have any plants to put in it. So I put like couch items in here, like an extra blanket and little stuffed animals, another full body mirror, and here's a little table I like to keep beside here. Here is a picture of rec camp staff from 2018. A wonderful, amazing group of people who I love very much. Aww. And some fake flowers from Dollar General and a vase from Dollar General. Calendar my mom gave me, a iridescent sponge, and an incense holder. This table used to be in our bathroom, but I kind of DIY'd it to match the aesthetic better. So it's like this pink and purple ribbon that I wrapped around it and kind of made it look cooler from afar. And finally, my favorite parts of the room. So of course you've got the brand, little heart up here. This shelf I got from Five Below. On this shelf, I have fake flowers and a vase that I got from the Dollar General, a candle that's purple that I like that my best friend Michaela gave me,
and a little iridescent or like holographic I love you statue that Austin gave me a few years ago.
And here's a real succulent, and I don't know why I'm keeping it in this spot, but it seemed to live for like a couple of months now without needing any major light. So I don't know, you guys comment below if I'm being mean to this succulent, but don't like be mean to me though because of the succulent. And then these 3 shelves I also got from Five Below for $5 for the 3 of them. Iridescent candle, it's hazelnut. Can you smell it? I got my little felt letter board. Five Below. I think that's really cute, and I can put messages on it for my videos.
These are quite possibly my favorite flowers in the room. I got the vase at Dollar General, of course, and the flowers from Walmart. And yes, I still have the tag on them. I know, I'll take it off soon, I promise.
And then this succulent was like literally $9. It's fake. We got it at Walmart, and it's really cute, but like, geez, the price. And finally, this is one of my favorite parts of the room because I made this with iridescent letters from Walmart and ribbon that I got from my mom's old shop. And this white cardboard, I don't know where I got it.
And then on the windowsill, I just kind of have random decorations that are carryover from Georgia Tech, the apartment that I had there. And it's kind of a more orangey vibe for some reason. I don't know. I think it kind of goes with the bed frame right next to it. So, yeah.
This picture, this purple and like pink and Haleigh picture, I think is so pretty. A cactus, a real cactus.
I actually forgot to put this in the hollow counter, so I guess it's a secret item. But I write my YouTube notes in this, my morning routines every day. It's like my daily notebook.
Here's some really beautiful flowers that you can find on my Instagram. Bow! Bacow! No, but yeah, Austin bought me these flowers. They're beautiful. They match my aesthetic perfectly, and I love them very much. Here's some more lotus flower paraphernalia, and it's some soap that I've had for a few years from my best friend at Tech. A little Buddha statue, a little light.
Because this is like a really low, warm light. I like to use it at night when I'm like reading and stuff before bed.
This is actually, that's supposed to go on here. It's like the other one of these, like lampshade things, but I repurposed it because I like the colors of it here. It probably doesn't look that good in the video, but it's actually really cute. Yeah, and then here's a dying succulent on the inside that I bought at a little shop in Atlanta. Here's an incense burner. Still got some incense in it. It like looks really ugly because I just burned some incense on it, but it's really pretty. It's a lotus flower. And an iridescent cup, of course, the most beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. I keep my like a little perfume in here, chapstick, my remote that turns off my bedroom light, and my TV remote also goes in here, so yeah. My essential oil diffuser on this bedside thing that my brother and I built. Here's just like a bag that I take with me everywhere. It's like got chopsticks and stuff in it. Another Haleigh Speaks brand heart, iridescent heart. And of course, my beautiful little box thing here. This is like my bedside thing, so I keep like my essential oils for this thing. I keep my melatonin, like a mask, and just like things like that. So yeah, this is my futon.
I promise we're almost done.
It's got this little like cover thing. I don't know how to describe it. It's just really pretty. It's iridescent. I put it on there for filming mostly. I take it off when I'm just lounging. And I got this like cute blanket on the back and these pillows that are all from Five Below, except for this little guy, which I've had since I was a little baby. Oh, and then the last item in the room that I've talked about is this nice little circular rug. Got this from Five Below as well. Alright, you guys, that is it for the video. Again, if you haven't subscribed to me already, I think you should change that. And like the video if you liked my room, if you liked me, if you liked my makeup, whatever you can think of, put a like on it. Also smash that notification bell, kind of like we have that, kind of like the crack in the Liberty Bell of America, and how that bell has been smashed so many times. Make that my notification bell. Alright, I'm done with that bit. Leave a comment below telling me your favorite psychology concept and a question that you've always had about psychology. And, you know, I might just make a video on it. And yeah, hallelujah for my wonderful parents who gave me this incredible room to live in, and hallelujah for you guys, of course. Ha ha! Okay, have a great day.
The gypsy cried.